Just give me a second.
Aram Guru.
Just a second, sir. ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृष्णं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। बहुतं मुनि धन्यवादः।
That was a nice
अभ्यासं
shloka.
yes, yes.
Can you please share that with us, Mahoday, in one of the slides or maybe in the group, sort of? It is
Yeah,
very nice.
आमां करोमि करिष्यामि
धन्यवाद.
अस्तु अस्तु अभ्यासं कृतवत्यः वा अभ्यासं किञ्चित् वा नास्ति वा न कृतवत्यः
Now went over it, but I have not been able to do it. I have not done it, not been able to do it. No, I have not been able to do it, but I went over the chapter again.
At least once or twice after the class, calling days, once or twice at least go through the slides again. So you will remember, because when we first time learn anything, only 40-50%, it's our nature, that's our brain's thing, capacity. So only certain things will know be sure. Once you revise, that will dust off. No, again, then you will remember some discussion happened, some information we shared, some queries, some clarification, those things. So then two, 3 times then you'll remember that for a long time. So once it will go off very easily. And at least, so what I'm saying, so I know everyone is busy with a lot of commitments, family commitments, other commitments, but ensure that see, if we say I will do 1 hour, then it's very hard to sit. Have a practice of 15-20 minutes every day. Be stick to yourself. I say, okay, I'll do only this page or 2 pages. Just stop. And then even if you are free, stop. So that's how you will develop the habit. That's important. If you say 1 hour, today I will do 1 hour, and then I will next 2-3 days I will not read, then there's a break in your pattern. Then it's very hard to start again. So keep very little 15 or 20 minutes. Do have doubts, note it down, post it to me. I'll then clarify. Next day again 15-20 minutes, like that. Once you are that pattern, then once you got used to it, and I just take my word, once you start doing that, after some time, you can't skip it. Automatically, it will come. It will make you sit and do, and you will feel something. Okay, I've not done something today, so you feel the gap. So till that time, just 15-20 minutes. Don't spend more time. If you spend more time, then that will demotivate you to do next time.
No. And then the confusion sets in. I think doing a little bit really helps to keep the confusion at bay, and it clears a few concepts. That is something that I realized by revising rather than, forcing yourself to study a lot at the same time. It's
Yeah,
clearing
that's
up a
right.
lot of concepts, and there is no confusion. Otherwise, confusion starts to set in, because I think
Yeah.
Aparna, Mohoday had last time mentioned that, and the same thing happens to me. When you start to do a lot of it at the same time, then confusion comes in, because Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, they start dancing in front of you. So this was good. Thank you.
See, initially, because we are learning new thing, we are not used to it. So initially, it will be very hard until you are get some kind of idea about it, then it's easy to you clear yourself some doubts, and then you again you explore new things, again get new doubts. Okay, no problem. Swagatam Priti Begini. बहु कालानन्तरं भवती वर्गे वर्गं न आगतवती.
नमो नमः
किम्
सर्वेभ्यः.
अभवत्? किम् अभवत्?
So
What happened?
I had weddings to, I was completely lost. So I'm trying to get back, but yeah, I'm not there. But yes, I would want to continue.
No problem. See, even if you see class, if you can't attend, if you can't watch the video also, please don't miss the next class. It will become a big gap.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Astu. Share करोमि मम पटलम्. दृश्यते वा? दृश्यते वा? अस्तु अस्तु.
आं महोदय दृश्यते।
अस्तु, धन्यवादः. ध्रुवा भगिनी भवती पठति वा ध्यानश्लोकम्?
Oh, beautiful. Very favorite. सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेव. Please go ahead.
करोतु.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रीकृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
अर्थं जानाति वा?
अर्जुन.
No. So ध्यानश्लोके सर्वोपनिषदौ गावो भोक्ता गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्. So sarva upanishad, all upanishad. So gavah ityukte kim? Gavah ityukte cow.
And Gopal is the
Dogda ityukte dogdha ityukte
milk. The one who milks.
milkman.
Milkman. Dugdam is milk.
Milkman.
Milkman.
The one who milks.
Milkman. One who milks from the cow. So Gopalanandana. So Gopalanandana is nothing but Krishna. So Gopalaha kaha yaha no yaha gavasya no palanam karoti Gopalaha go palanam karoti. One who takes care of the cows. Gopalaha. Gopal Nandana. Parthaha Vatsaha. Vatsaha ityukte kim?
Friend.
Child.
Friend.
No, the right is guy. Go is a cow. So the young one, offspring, is the calf. Vatsa is calf actually.
Okay.
So Partha is like Vatsa. So Sudhir Bhokta. He's the one who is Bhagavan Sri Krishna is one who is giving the jnanam. And Arjuna is the one who is experiencing this. So Sudhi ityukte what? The knowledge. Sudhi is that what excellent knowledge, good knowledge. Bhokta, one who is experiencing. So Dugdam Gita Amrutam Mahat. So Gita Amrutam is like a Amrut. And Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Ityukte kim? Vasudevasya Putra. Sutam is Putra. Devam. Kamsa Chanura Mardanam. So he killed Kamsa, he killed Chanura. So Devaki Paramananda, one who makes the Devaki Mata happy. That Krishnam, that Bhagavan Vande Jagat Guru is the Guru of the entire Jagat. That's what it says. Anuvadam padtu. Aparna Baini Bhavati padtu.
All the Upanishads are the cows and Krishna is the one who milks them. Arjuna is the calf. The devotees are the consumers of the great nectar of Gita. I salute the teacher of the world who is the son of Vasudeva, who killed Kamsa and Chanura and is the one who gave divine joy to Devaki.
Devaki. Okay, so Jagat Guru, that Jagat Guru, I will salute. You say, right? Vande Mataram. So Vande. Astu. Apana Bani Bhavati Eva Patatu.
Hastasya Bhushanam Danam Satyam Kantasya Bhushanam Shotrasya Bhushanam Shastram Bhushanau Kim Prayojanam. Bhushanaihi Kim Prayojanam.
Astasya Bhushanam Danam Satyam Kantasya Bhushanam Srotasya Bhushanam Shastram Bhushanai Kim Prayojanam. Artam Kopi Janati va Avagachanti va.
English. Suchita ji is raising her hand. Suchita ji, please go ahead.
I can't see all of you in the screen, so please. You are
Okay.
unmute yourself and talk.
So I'm just going to try. I'm sure Dhruvaji knows the whole meaning, but I'm going to try with the words. So Hastasya Bhushanam Danam means the adornment of your hands is giving, Danam. Satyam Kanthasya Bhushanam. Truth is the adornment of your throat or your neck. Shrotrasya Bhushanam Shastram. The people who listen, Shrotra, right? Their adornment is the Shastram, spiritual knowledge. Bhushanaiha Kim Prayojanam. Why do you need any other adornments?
Excellent. Very good. Bahutamam. Astus. Bahutamam. Yeah. So Astasya Bhushanam. So Astaha. Karam Karaustaha. So Karasya, Bhushanam Kim. So just giving. It's not that, wearing bangles or, rings, golden rings or bracelets. So Astasya Bhushanam Danam. So it's like Karna. How Karna is doing. How Yudhishthira is, very, very generous. So something like that. Satyam Kantasya Bhushanam. So speaking truth is the actual, beauty of our, neck or throat, or you can say face, whatever. So Kantasya Bhushanam. So Srotasya. So here Srotasya is hears. So what is the beauty of hearing, or it's a beauty, you can say jewel of our ears is hearing the Shastras, listening to the Shastras. And Bhushanaihi, as I said, Bhushanaihi Kim Prayojan. Other gold, silver, what is the use of others? So that's what. So here, Hastasya. So anyone remember Vibhakti? Which Vibhakti it is?
Sixth.
Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti Vibhakti.
So Astasya, Kantasya, Srotasya. So all are Shashti Vibhakti. Bhushanaihi. Bhushanaihi. So Astasya, Kantasya, Srotasya, Ekavachanam. So Bhushanaihi, Vibhaktihi ka. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha. Ramam Ramau Ramane. Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Tritiya Bhakti.
Bahuvachanam.
Bhushanena Bhushanaihi. So Bhushanabhyam Bhushanaihi. Bhushena. Okay. So Bhushana. So Bhushanaihi with all this, jewel, whatever is what is the use? This is what. So again, I'm telling, whenever you read any shloka, anything, try to find, try to, remember the Vyakaranam, whatever we are learned. Okay, so try to, so that's the Kim Prayojan. So this is a Kim, Makara, we learned Kim Ke, Kani.
Mhm.
So because Kim Prayojanam. So what is the use? That's the question. Part of the Apana Bindi Bhavati Padatu.
दानकरणम् एव हस्तस्य भूषणं सत्यभाषणम् एव कण्ठस्य भूषणं शास्त्रश्रवणम् एव कर्णस्य भूषणम् अतः अन्यैः आभरणैः किमपि प्रयोजनं नास्ति. किमपि प्रयोजनं नास्ति.
अतः अन्यैः तृतीया बहुवचनम् आभरणैः तृतीया बहुवचनं किमपि प्रयोजनं नास्ति. So there is no use with the other jewelry. Okay.
प्रयोजनं gender प्रयोजनं
नपुंसकलिङ्गम्.
Oh.
So प्रयोजनम् एकवचनं प्रयोजनं नपुंसकलिङ्गम्. अस्तु. So अद्यतनपाठः पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः चतुर्थविभक्तिः. So गते वर्गे वयं पुल्लिङ्ग नपुंसकलिङ्ग चतुर्थविभक्तिरूपाणि पठितवन्तः ज्ञातवन्तः. So we learned पुल्लिङ्ग नपुंसकलिङ्ग चतुर्थविभक्ति. So अद्य चतुर्थविभक्तिः स्त्रीलिङ्गं रूपाणि पठिष्यामः. Just this again to revise. So vibhaktihi kimartam kati karakaah santi. How many karakas are there? Kati karakaah santi. Shat karakaah santi.
6, yeah.
6. Ke karakaah vadatu.
Karta, karma.
Karta samyak. Karta karma.
Karma, karanam.
Karanam.
That is with what, right? The instrument.
Sampradanam.
Apadanam and adhikaranam.
Adhikaranam, samyak. So karta pratama vibhaktihi, the doer of the action, okay, and then karma, the object where the action has been done. Karanam, the instrument or tool used to do the action. Sampradanam, the receiver of the action. Apadanam, the source of the action where it has started, and the adhikaranam, the place, separation, the place, the location where the action has happened. So the Shakti Vibhakti is not part of Karaka. Shakti Vibhakti is related to the Pratama Vibhakti, Karta. So it is whichever related to Kriya. Kriyaya saha sambandha kasya bhavati. So te sarve Karakaha. Okay, so Kriyaya saha. So punasmaranam kurmaha. Suchita Baini Bhavati Padatu. Sakarantah Ramah Ramo Ramah.
Okay. Chaturthi Pullinga. Pullinga Akaranta and Ikaranta. Vibhakti Prathama Karta. Ekvachanam Ramaha, Dvivachanam Ramo, Bahuvachanam Ramaha. Ikaranta Ekvachanam Harihi.
No.
Oh no, I'll go down. Yeah. Dvitiya, yeah. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Dvitiya Karma, Ramam, Ramo, Raman. Tritiya Karnam, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Rameha. For Ikarant, Ramaihi. Okay. And Chaturthi, Sampradanam, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah. For Ikaranta, Ramebhyah. For Ikaranta, Prathama, Harihi, Hari, Harayah. Harim. For Dvitiya Karma, Harim, Hari, Harim. Tritiya Karnam, Harina, Hari. Now I can't see because your screen is in front of those two words. So
is it?
Yeah. No. I can see now. So Tritiya Karnam, Harina, Haribhyam, Haribhihi. And for Chaturthi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyah.
Haribhyah. So Chaturthi is for Akaranta Ramaya, Ramabhyam,
Ramebhyah.
So Ramaya Pustakam Dadami. So I give book to Rama. So also the Upapada Vibhakti, which one is always comes in Chaturthi Vibhakti, Upapada Vibhakti?
Namaha. Namaha.
Namaha, very good. Namaha, Ramaya Namaha, Krishnaya Namaha. So Namaha joined with. So the Namaha does not have any lingam vachanam. Okay, so Ramaya Namaha, Ramabhyam Namaha, Ramebhyah Namaha. So there's no change. Namaha, there is no change. Okay, same way, Harahe Namaha, Haribhyam Namaha, Haribhyah Namaha. So, astu. Padatu Baini. प्रश्नवाचक शब्द प्रश्न शब्द वाचक शब्द पढ़तु कह के कम कान ले तथा.
Should I continue or is someone else saying?
Yes. No, you continue.
Okay. चतुर्थी पुल्लिंगे विभक्ति प्रथमा प्रश्नः कः के एकवचनं गुरुः द्विवचनं गुरु.
You read कह के column wise कम केन कैहि कल्चर. And no need to say Brahma and all, Ekavachana and all, just you read only the table.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, kaha ke kam kan kena kaihi kasmai kebhyah guruhu gurum guruna gurave.
No, sorry. So, no. Because this prashna hai is only, we have only one.
That is one column and then they are then like, okay. So, guruhu, guru, guruvah.
Guravah.
So, will this be kaha guruhu? Ke guru?
Ke guru?
And ke
guru? No. In the prashna hai, I have not added divachanam. So what is saha taute? Say kaha kauke. So guruhu, guru, guravah. This to understand this is also pullinga padam. So kaha kauke, because I didn't add the divachanam, not to confuse. So kaha ke kam kana kena kaihi kasmi kebhyah. So this is the question. The kim shabda hai. We'll also see at the later. So so this one is ukaranta, which the words ending with u. Ukara. So ukaranta.
Okay.
So guruhu, guru, guravah.
And then gurum, guru, gurun.
No, it's a gurum. Gurum, hrasvam, guru, dirgham, gurun.
Gurun. Okay, so gurum, guru, gurun. Okay. Guruna, gurubhyam, gurubhihi. For gurubhihi. For rukaranta, pitru shabdah.
Chaturthi Bhakti.
Okay. Chaturthi Vibhakti is Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah. I forget the yellow part. Yes. Okay. Pita, Pitarau, Pitarah, Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun, Pitra.
Dirgham.
Pitrun. Guru, Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi. Pitre, Pitrubhihi. Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyah.
Pitrubhyah. If you don't stress in through, because it will not sound like a pit trubhyah. So pit, not pitrubhyah. Pitrubhyah. Pitrubhihi.
I see. Okay, so pitrubhyam, pitrubhyah. Okay, and then the pitrun will be the long.
Yeah, that's a long. Pitrun.
Okay.
Bhavitya Bharta, Napusakalinga Padani.
Okay. Phalam, phale, phalani. Phalam, phale, phalani. That is Dvitiya again saying. Phalena, phalena, phalabhyam, phalaihi. Phalaiha. Phalaya, phalaihi. Phalaya, phalabhyam, phalebhyah.
Phalebhyah. So, Napusakalingam, it's like from Tritiya Vibhakti to Saptam Vibhakti. So, Tritiya Vibhakti Pratibhihi, Saptami Paryantam, Pullinga Shabdavat, Pullinga Rupani Eva, Samanam Eva. So, Phalena, Ramena, Phalena, Ramabhyam, Phalabhyam, Ramaihi, Phalaihi, Ramaya, Phalaya, Phalabhyam, Phalebhyah, Ramebhyah. Okay?
Yeah.
Ikaranta.
And then ikaranta, vari, varini, varini, vari,
Samyak.
varini, varini, varina, varibhyam, varibhihi, varine,
Varibihi. No, varibihi.
va, varibhihi,
No,
varibhihi,
varibihi.
varibhihi,
Ah,
right? Okay. Varine, varibhyam, varibhyah.
varibhyah. Samyak. Varine, varibhyam, varibhyah. Ah,
Okay.
ukaranta, vikaranta. And prashna.
प्रश्नः किं किं कानि केन कैः कैः कस्मै केभ्यः उकारान्तः मधु मधुनी मधुनि मधु मधु मधुनी मधूनि
Ah,
मधुना
madhuni. Samyak.
मधूनि मधुना मधुभ्यां मधुभिः मधुने
Don't,
मधु
no, that you don't stress. Madhubihi, not
मधुभिः
madhubbihi. Ah,
ओके
madhubihi.
मधुभिः
Ah,
मधुने
samyak.
मधुभ्यां मधुभ्यः for उकारांत दातृ शब्द दातृ दातॄणि दातॄणि
Ah, samyak.
दातॄणि या
Hmm.
दातृ दातृ दातॄणि दातॄणि
Hmm.
दात्रा दातृभ्यं दातृभिः दातृभिः दात्रे
Datribihi.
दातृभिः दात्रे दातृभ्यां दातृभ्यः
दातृभ्यः. सम्यक् भगिनि, धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः
प्रीति महोदय, भवती पठति वा?
तद् एतत् पुल्लिङ्ग् नपुंसकलिङ्ग् प्रथमा विभक्ति सः एषः तौ एतौ ते एते
You can, Bhagini, you can
स
write
तौ
like,
ते
saha tau te,
या स तौ
like
ते
that, and eshaha etau
तौ
ete.
एते हा
Hmm.
तत् ते तानि एतत् एते एतानि
Hmm.
द्वितीया विभक्ति तं तौ तान् एतं एतौ एतान् तत् एतत् तत् ते तानि एतत् एते एतानि
Hmm.
तृतीया
Tena,
विभक्ति तेन
tena ta, no.
तेन
Tena
ताभ्यां तैः
taihi.
तैः तैः तैः
Hmm.
एतेन एताभ्याम् एतैः
Hmm.
तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः
Hmm.
एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः
एतेभ्यः. सम्यक्. Hmm.
यद् शब्द यः यौ ये यत् ये यानि
Hmm.
यम यौ यान् यत् ये यानि येन याभ्यां यै यस्मै याभ्यां येभ्यः
Yaihi. You have to say
ये
yaihi.
यैः यैः
Yaihi. सम्यक्. Hmm.
किं शब्दः कः कौ के किं के कानि कं कौ कान् किं के कानि केन काभ्यां कैः
खेन,
केन
खेन.
केन केन काभ्यां कैः
Hmm. कस्मै?
कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः
खेभ्यः. Hmm. No. अस्मद्.
अस्मत् शब्दः अहम् आवां वयं माम् आवाम् अस्मान् मा नौ नः मया
You
आवां
can know here because this is there are two forms. Either form you can use. So both are right. So in this case, mamma, avam now, asman nah.
ओके
Tata padtu.
ओके मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः मह्यम् आवा
Mahyam me.
मह्यम् Mayam me.
Not mayam. Ha, that is ha.
Yes.
Ardha ha. Mahyam.
Mah,
Ha, ya is there. Mahyam.
mahayam.
Not ma, not ha. It's h. Mahyam.
Mahyam. Mahayam. Mayam.
Na. Ha. Ha. Mah. You say mah. Mah. Mahyam.
Mahyam.
M-A-H-Y-A-M. Mahyam.
Mayam.
Okay. Astu. Vadatu. Avabhyam now. Asmabhyam.
Avabhyam no. Asmabhyam naha. Yushmat sabda. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam yuvam yushman.
Tvam tva. Tvam tva.
Tvam tva yuvam vam yushman vaha.
Vaha.
Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhih. Tubhyam te yuvabhyam yushmabhyam vaha.
Tubhyam te yuvabhyam yushmabhyam vaha. Astu. So adya chaturthi bhaktihi Srilinga padani pathamah. Astu. Supriya Bhani bhavati patati va? Supriya Bhani asti va? Varge asti va?
महोदय
Patatu patatu.
चतुर्थी स्त्रीलिङ्गे रमा रमे रमाः रमां रमे रमाः रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः रमायै रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः ईकारान्तः मतिः मति मतयः मतिं मति मतिः मत्या
Matihi. Matihi.
मतीः मत्या मतिभ्यां मतिभिः मत्यै मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः
Mativyah.
ईका प्रश्नः का कः कां काः कया
Ka kaah.
का काः कां काः कया काभिः कस्यै काभ्यः ईकारान्तः नदी नद्यौ नद्यः नदीं नद्यौ नदीः नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः उकारान्तः धेनुः धेनु धेनवः धेनुं धेनु धेनुः धेन्वा धेनुभ्यां धेनुभिः धेनवे धेनुभ्यां धेनुभ्यः
Denubhyah.
ऋकारान्तः मातृशब्दः माता मातरौ मातरः मातरं मातरौ मातृः मात्रा
Matruh. Matruh.
मातृः
Ah.
मात्रा मातृभ्यां मातृभिः मात्रे मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः तत् एतत् शब्दः स्त्रीलिङ्गे सा ते ताः तां ते ताः तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः एषा एते एताः एताम् एते एताः एतया एताभ्याम् एताभिः एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः
Yad.
यत् शब्दः स्त्रीलिङ्गे या ये याः यां ये याः यया याभ्यां याभिः यस्यै याभ्ये याभ्यां याभ्यः किं शब्द स्त्रीलिङ्गे का के काः कां के काः कया काभ्यां काभिः कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः
So try to understand, remember the pattern. Okay, if you see all sounds same. Ya ka, ye ke, yaha kaha, yam kam, ye ke, yaha kaha, yaya kaya. So ramaya, ramabhyam, ramabhihi. If it is ikaranta, just you have to change that. Yeah, so
Yes.
ramabhihi will become nadibihi. Okay. Ramabhyah will become Nadibhyah. So you have to remember the pattern. If you remember the pattern, it's very easy. गते वर्गे अपि वयं पठितवन्तः नियमाः केचन नियमाः सन्ति चतुर्थविभक्त्यां. There are some rules. The same rules only. Only thing is we will use it for in Srilinga padam. Padatu Bhaini, Supriya Bhaini.
चतुर्थी विभक्तिः दानक्रिया दाने चतुर्थी या दानं स्वीकरोति तस्याः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः भवति. Recipient of दानक्रिया will be in चतुर्थी विभक्तिः. धनिकः भिक्षुक्यै धनं ददाति. पुत्रः जनन्यै पुष्पं यच्छति. अहं छात्रायै पुस्तकं ददामि.
अस्तु. धनिकः भिक्षुक्यै धनं ददाति. शब्दः कः तत्र प्रथमविभक्ति वदतु. चतुर्थविभक्त्याम् अभवति. सो भिक्षुक्यै इस् चतुर्थविभक्ति.
भिक्षुकः.
भिक्षुका. अस्तु. सुप्रिया भगिनी, what you say?
भिक्षु.
Okay. Aparna Bhaini, you said something.
Bhikshuka. No, bhikshu. Bhikshuhu.
No, it has to be Strilinga, right?
Strilinga. That's Strilinga. We are learning on Strilinga only. No, see,
so
why I'm
Bhikshuka,
asking.
no.
So, guessing Bhikshuka.
भिक्षुका.
One minute. No, one minute. So, what I'm asking, we have to understand again, catch the pattern. So, you say Bhikshuka is Akara on the Strilinga padam, correct? So, what is Rama? For Rama,
Strilinga. Akara on the Strilinga.
No. Chaturthi Vibhakti. What is Chaturthi Vibhakti for Rama? Rama Shabda.
Ramayai.
Ramayai. So if it is Bhikshuka, it should be Bhikshukai, right? If it's Ramayai, so Bhikshukai. But it's Bhikshukai. What is this then? This is Ikaranta padam. Nadi. Nadyai. So Bhikshuki. So Bhikshuki, Bhikshukyai. So Nadi, Nadyai. So Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. Bhikshuki, Bhikshukyau, Bhikshukyah. So Nadi, for Nadi is Bhikshukyai, Chaturthi. So you have to catch the pattern. So when you say Bhikshukyai, so if it is Bhikshuka, everyone will get that same thing because we know Bhikshuka. So we say Bhikshuka. So Bhikshuka means, so it should be Bhikshukayai. But it's not Bhikshuka,
right.
it's Bhikshukyai. So that's
Because
Ka
there
is
is
not Ka.
Chhatrayai.
See Chatrai. Chatra is Chatra. So what is Jananyai?
Janani.
Now you got, see, Janani, Ikara, like the same, like Nadi Shabdavat. Janani, Jananyau, Jananyah. Jananim, Jananyau, Jananihi. Jananya, Jananibhyam, Jananibihi. Jananyai, Jananibhyam, Jananibhyah. So, that's why I keep on telling, just remember the pattern. There are so many words for Pullinga, Srilinga, Napullinga. We can't remember all of them. You have to remember the pattern and then just immediately. Okay? That's two. Adrobani Vati Padatu.
प्रश्नवाचकः किमर्थम्?
Okay. Padatu.
Oh, sorry, Mahodaya.
No, again, Padatu. Because I saw you became muted. So, Padatu.
प्रश्नवाचकः किमर्थम्? समाधानं चतुर्थी विभक्तिः. The word denoting the purpose, what for, uddeshyam of the action would be in chaturthi vibhaktihi. Lekakah kirtayai lekam likati. Kirtyatam api samyak. Vidyarthinah guru dakshinayai dhanam sampadayanti. Guru dakshinartham. Bhikshukah bhikshayai भ्रमणं करोति. भिक्षार्थं. बालकः विद्यायै गुरुकुलं गच्छति. विद्यार्थं.
अस्तु एकनिमिषं तत्र अक्षरदोषः अस्ति इति मन्ये that is some spelling error. Can someone find that, can tell what could be? What could be? प्रथमे वाक्ये एकं शब्द नो अशुद्धम् अस्ति. अपरा भगिनी वदतु.
कीर्तर्ये, no?
Okay. What if it is that is wrong, what is correct one?
Lekhan is the wrong one. Lekhan.
No, kalpate.
Lekham, that's correct. Lekham is correct.
Kirti
is actually is kirtihi. Okay, kirtihi. Kirtihi is kirtiyai. Okay, matihi, matihi shabda we learned, right? So it is kirtiyai.
Ikaranta.
So it should be kirti, not kirtayai. It's kirtiyai. So lekah kirtiyai lekham likhati. कीर्त्यर्थम अपि सम्यक्. अस्तु अस्तु धन्यवादः सुप्रिया भगिनी. ध्रुवा भगिनी भवती पठति वा?
आं महोदय. चतुर्थी विभक्तिः रूपान्तरणं रूपस्य अंतरणं, right? The word denoting transformation रूपान्तरणं from मूलस्वरूपं मूला bhavana into another would be in chaturthi vibhakti. Upapada vibhakti kalpate jayate bhavati. Aishwaryam kirtaye. This should also be kirtaye.
No, there are two forms. There are
Okay.
some vibhakti forms will be, there are two words like we saw, right? Mahyam me sutubhyam te. So some same way. So kirtaye is correct. Kirtayai is wrong. The previous slide it was kirtayai. That was wrong.
Okay.
Either it can be kirtaye athava kirtiyai.
Okay. Aishwaryam kirtaye or kirtyair bhavati. Rafara ra kirtyai bhavati.
No, not kirtyair.
There is no ra. Kirtyai. Kirtyai bhavati. Shaktihi paravedanayai bhavati. Dhanam khyatyai kalpate. Kripa dhatu, to be able to be capable of. So
khyati.
What is paravedana? Paravedana bhavati.
Shaktihi paravedana. Paraved. It is, I think, to Shakti. Shakti is a power is to remove others' pain. That's what it means. So Shakti paravedanayai. So dhanam khyathyai kalpate. Dhanam khyathyai.
prestige, right? I mean,
khyati. Okay, it brings maybe you see prestige, or it makes you famous, or no, gives you a lot of glory or something like that.
You are known
capable
everywhere.
of
Khyati,
yes, capable of make you famous. Khyathyai kalpate. Astu. So khyathyai is khyati. Ikaran shabdam paravedana. See, say paravedanayai. So khyati, when it comes to khyati, ikaranta, it becomes khyathyai. If it's akaranta, paravedanayai. So kirtaye athva kirtyai. So that is also Ikaranta Shabda.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's how we have to find, okay, this is Ikaranta, this is Akaranta, like that. Patadu Bhagini.
पात्रस्य चतुर्थीः विभक्तिः
Chaturthi
क्रोधः
nasti tatra. If you separate it,
sorry
Chaturthi.
चतुर्थी विभक्तिः sorry my bad क्रोधः anger द्रोह enmity ईर्ष्या jealousy असूया dislikeness the person or thing against whom or which anger hatred or jealousy is shown would be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So whoever is a receiver of these emotion gets Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Yep.
Ravanaha Patnyai Krudhyati.
Krudhyati. Ravanasya Patni ka?
Mandodari.
Mandodari. In Tamil we say
Mandodari.
Mandodari. Manda, actually Manda Udari. Mandodari means Manda Udari. Udari is Mudaram
Stomach.
Stomach. So the waist. So waist. Manda Udari means so it was like praising her. So she has got a beautiful the waist. That's what she says. Manda Udari. Very slim kind of. So Manda Udari becomes Mandodari.
So here will Ravanaha Mandodari. So will this convert here also? Like Patni, then Mandodari.
So Mandodari. So you can say
Mandodari.
Ravanaha Mandodari Krudhyati.
Okay. Rama Gitayai Druhyati.
Gita is not Bhagavad Gita. Gita eka Mahila.
Druhyati. No, there is no point in getting jealous on
enmity. So Gita
or anger, enmity.
Ramayaha Sakhi Atava Saha Karyakartri. So Gitayai Druhyati. Druhyati. Ha Ardha Matra.
Druhyati. Satyabhama Rukminyai Irshyati. Sangeeta Sakhyai Asuyati.
Sakhyai. Rukmini Rukminyai. Gitayai. Patni. So by seeing the word, we may not know, not have come across that word, but by looking at that pattern, the design, so Rukminyai, then immediately I'll think, okay, it's Rukmini, because Ikarant. So Gitayai, so it should be Akaranta, Gita. Patnyai, so Patni, Ikaranta. Sakhyai, Sakhi. Suchita Bain, Prashna Hastiva.
In our that chart of the Upapad Vibhakti, right? Like there are the Upapads. So this also could be some of the Upapads, right? Krudhyati, Druhyati, Irshyati, or no?
Krudhyati is not a Vibhakti. Krudhyati, these are all Kriya Pada.
Okay, so the words that we have like Namaha, Swasti, Alam.
Namaha is Vibhakti. Purataha, Prishtataha, Adaha, Upari, these are Upavibhakti. Krudhyati is a Kriya Pada. It's an action.
Yeah, it is a kriya.
So the receiver as an action will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. But Namaha will not change. As I said before, Namaha, Upari, Prishtataha, those words will not change. It's indeclinable, Abhyayam. So those will remain the same irrespective of the Vachanam, Lingam. So Ramayai Namaha will be Namaha. Ramaya Namaha will be Ramaha. In plural also, Bahuvachane api, Ramebhyaha Namaha, Ramabhyaha Namaha. So the Namaha will not change. So Adhyapikayaha Prishtataha Purataha. So Adhyapikanam Prishtataha Purataha. So the Lingam or Vachanam will not impact the Upapada Bhakti. But here Krudhyati, Druhyati, Irshyati, Asuyati, all are Even we saw, you're going to learn again, ruch dhatu, rochate. So that also, all are kriya padam. When we use the kriya padam, the receiver of that action will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Normally, what we say, karma padam will be in Ditya Vibhakti. But the action, this is here, the receiver of that action is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Only when we use the word kriya padam, not for all. The kriya padam, when we use krudhyati, kruddhatu, krodaha, drukhyati, irshyati, asuyati, rochati, all these things, that will be in kriya in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Okay, so if it was Prashanoti or Dadati, then it would not necessarily be in
Correct.
Chaturthi. Okay,
So
got
pustakam dadati, Ramaya, there dadati also dana kriya.
it.
So the person who is receiving will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So if I say, okay, I am giving book to Rama, so aham Ramaya pustakam dadami, I am seeing Rama. What I will say, aham Ramam pashyami. There it will be Ditya Vibhakti, karma padam, Ditya Vibhakti. Aham Ramam pashyami. Aham Lakshmanam ahvayami. So I call Lakshmana. I am seeing Rama. That time, it will not be in Chaturthi. It will be in Ditya Vibhakti, the karma padam. Okay, when you use the certain kriya padam, only the Chaturthi Vibhakti will be applicable. So that we have to remember. Same way for Upapada Vibhakti. Upapada has certain things. So that will be, for example, Vina. Vina will be in Ditya, Tritiya, Panchami. Jalam Vina, Jalena Vina, Jalat Vina. Minaha na jivati. So that's some same way. So Purataha, Prishtataha, Ubhayataha, this all will be in Shashti Vibhakti. So Upari, like that. So there are something will be Panchami Vibhakti. So Saptami. So those, so you have to remember that. Okay, when we, so don't get confused with Upapada Vibhakti and this Kriya Padam. This Kriya Padam, when we use the Kriya Padam, that will be the receiver of that action will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
But here, will it be Saraswatyai Namaha also will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti only? If
yes, Saraswati.
Parvatyai Namaha, Paratvat.
Saraswati Namaha. Samyak. Saraswatyai, Saraswati, Saraswatyai. Parvatyai.
So it will be in the fourth Vibhakti only. The Namaha will still remain, and the Strilinga would also be in the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Would be in the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Because the Namaha word is there, just the way we do it in Pullinga Shabda.
That's right. That's right. Okay. Namaha will not change, and it is common for all this thing. There is no impact, influence of Vachanam, no influence of Lingam. Linga Bedaha, Vachan Bedha. For all other Upapada Vibhakti. Purataha, you will not change. There's no Purataha or Puratani, something like that. So, Prishtataha, same. Bahihi, Upari, Adaha, Vamataha, Dakshinataha, all are only one. That, but they are when where it is attached, that Vibhakti can be Pullingam, can be Srilingam, can be Pusilingam, can be Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam.
Thank you.
Apana Bhavani Bhavati Patitiva?
Ruch dhatu, dhatuhu, chaturthi vibhaktihi. Rochate, ruch dhatu, yam rochate tasyaha chaturthi bhavati. When the verbs such as liking, rochate are used, the person who shows liking or loves the object would be written in chaturthi vibhaktihi. And what is being liked or loved gets Prathama Vibhakti. Balikayai Prathama Vibhakti. Balikayai Modakam Rochate. Naryai Sangeetam Rochate. Chatrabhyaha Samskritam Rochate. Nayikabhyaha Ashvaha Rochante.
Balikayai Modakam Rochate. Naryai. So Naryai. Shabda kaha. Prathama Vibhakti first.
Nari.
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 Nari. Samyak. So Chatra. Chatrabhyaha. Chatrayai. Chatrabhyaha is Bhagavachanam. So Chatrabhyaha. Nayikabhyaha. Nayika. Nayikayai Ekavachane. नायिकाभ्यः बहुवचने. So balika, balikayai ekavachane. Balikabhyah bahuvachane. So you see, modakam, sangeetam, samskritam, ashvaha. So modakam, sangeetam, samskritam,
Pratama vibhakti.
napusakalingam, not pratama vibhakti, ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam, sorry.
So ashvaha, pratama vibhakti, bahuvachanam. So the rochante, that's why it becomes rochante. Ashvaha rochante. Okay, so nayikabhyah, ashvaha rochante. So that the rochante is changed because ashvaha. But here chatrabhyah also bahuvachane asti. But rochate will not, because Sanskritam is ekavachanam. That's why it's in rochate is also an ekavachanam.
But one doubt, these are very, very specific verbs which make this come in the
when you see rochate, you just immediately you can say this, you say the person who is liking
will be in the fourth vibhakti.
Fourth vibhakti, chaturthi vibhakti.
So selected kriya padam will be there.
Yes, that is a Panini's niyama.
Okay.
So I think I'm definitely know you people would have know the sloka in Ramayana. So api swarnamayi lanka, you know?
I don't know.
Api swarnamayi lanka, name rakshmana lochate, janani janma bhuvishya, swarghadapi gariyashi. Okay. I'll maybe make one slide next week. We'll discuss about that. Patatu Baini.
Upapada vibhaktihi swasti, swaha, swadha, alam.
So these are all upapada vibhakti. This is not kriya padam. This is upapada vibhakti.
Tubhyam swasti, prajabhyah swasti, swasti, correct. Saraswatyai swaha, matre matrubhyah swada. Swada. Durga asurebhyah alam.
So tubhyam swasti, tubhyam te. We saw that yushma sabda hai. Tvam yuvam yuyam, tvam yuvam yushman. So tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi. So tubhyam. So tubhyam chaturthi vibhakti ekavachanam. Tubhyam swasti. So prajabhyah, swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahishaha. So that's prajabhyah. Saraswati namaha, even swaha. When we do havan, homam, we always say swaha. So we use chaturthi vibhakti. Matre matrubhyah swada. This is done in any tarpan we do. We do offering with matre matrubhyah. Durga asurebhyah alam. So Durga is strong enough to kill the asuras. That says. So these swasti, swaha, swada, alam. So alam can be in which other vibhakti?
Alam is in Tritiya also, right?
Kola halena alam.
Tritiya, chaturthi.
Tritiya alam, and now it's chaturthi also. So asurebhyah alam. Okay, so remember that. What the Beni?
Upapada vibhaktihi namaha. Namaha, to whom we bow down. Worship is written chaturthi vibhakti. Lakshmai namaha iti. Lakshmai namaha iti Ramaha vadati. Saraswatyai namaha iti vayam prarthayamaha. Napumsabhyah namastubhyam iti bhaktaha vadati.
Okay. Namastubhyam, where did you learn? Where did you see Namastubhyam word? Every class.
Namastubhyam, Saraswati Namastubhyam.
Saraswati Namastubhyam. Namaha, that is a sandhi asti tatra. Namaha tubhyam. So namaha, see, namaha joins to chaturthi vibhakti. So tubhyam is ekavachanam. Saraswati Namastubhyam. So Saraswati Nama. It's not Saraswati Namaha. But when you say Saraswati, namastubhyam. So I bow to you. So that is Saraswati. Which vibhakti? That is Sambodhana Pratama. Calling. Saraswati, namastubhyam, we say. You directly say Saraswati Namaha. That is when you say just join Saraswati with Namaha, it should be Saraswati Shabdaha should be in Chaturthi Bhakti. When you call and say Saraswati Namastubhyam, Rama Namastubhyam, Namaste. There Ramaya Namaste, no. Rama Namaste. Otherwise Ramaya Namaha. So Namaha Tubhyam, Namastubhyam iti Bhaktaha vadati.
Avadheyam namati namaskaromi cheta dvitiya vibhaktihi eva bhavati. Ramaha Durga namati.
Durgam
namati. Aham Saraswati namami.
Ekanimsham. Tatra again akshara doshaha. Saraswatim namami. So again, see, namati, namaskaromi, etadayaha, no, kriya padani, santi. So this is not actually either upapada vibhakti or nam. So nam dhatu. So this is kriya padam. But namaha is not kriya padam. That is upapada vibhakti. So when you use this namati, namaskaromi kriya padam, as I said before, except kalpate, jayate, rochate, krudhyati, all these things, other kriya padam, the receiver will be in the object or karma padam, will be in ditya bhakti. So Durga, Durgam, Saraswati, Saraswatim. I don't know why it's removed. Okay.
Tad shabdaha chaturthi vibhakti rupani strilinge sampradhanam for her. Janani tasyai shukam dadati. Mother gives parrot for her. Janani tabhyaha shukan dadati. Mother gives parrots for them.
Okay, tasyai shabdasya pratama vibhakti ka vibhakti ka.
Tasyai tvam.
Tvam ishmat sabdaha. You're talking about somebody. Tvam is straight. Bhattima purusha. Tasyai. Anyakopi vatu. Anyone? Tasyai shabdasya pratama vibhakti ka.
Sa.
Sa te taha. Sa te taha. Sa te taha. Tam te taha. Taya tabhyam tabihi. Tasyai tabhyam
tabhyah.
Tabhyah. Okay. Yad.
Yad shabdah chaturthi vibhakti rupani yasyai yabhyah. For whomever, whatever. Janani yasyai shukam dadati sa putri. For whom mother is giving the parrot is her daughter. Janani yabhyah shukam dadati taha putrayah. For whom mother is giving parrot or her daughters.
Why yataha putrayah tatra? Why?
Bahuvachanam.
Why bahuvachanam? Because yabhyah bahuvachane asti. याभ्यः बहुवचने अस्ति अतः ताः पुत्र्यः सो अत्र प्रथमे वाक्ये पश्यतु यस्यै एकवचनं सा पुत्री सा एकवचनं पुत्री सा एकवचनं so this is actually linking codes. This is whom, so we link with one who is carrying the book is a student, one who is teaching is a teacher. So that's how we link. So that's why या ये याः याम ये याः यया याभ्याम याभिः यस्यै याभ्याम याभ्यः. So यस्यै जननी यस्यै shukam dadati. So mother to whom she is giving the parrot. So that is whom is there in singular form. Whom yasya shukam dadati sa putri. That is daughter. Janani yabhyah. Whom, that is whom. The English whom is both singular and plural. But here yasya
singular.
singular, yabhya plural. When you use yabhya, then taha, sa te taha. So putri, putrau, putryaha, nadi, nadyau, nadyah, sa te taha. Okay. So sukam is not changing. Dadati is, because dadati, why dadati is not changing?
Dadati
Because
is
it is
okay.
Janani.
Kriyapadam, it is Kriyapadam will not have gender, no?
No. Why it is
It
not
is Janani is giving.
Because it is
Ah.
again, it is singular.
No, dadati, no. Dadati,
Da-
because janani is not
Janani
changing.
is
Janani
singular.
is a karta. So kriyapadam,
Singular.
kartari prayoge, kartrupadam anusarati. This is kriyapadam. Verb always follows the action doer, the doer of the action. So dadati, janani dadati. Janani kam dadati, kim dadati, shukam dadati. Kasyai dadati, to whom she is giving? Putriyai dadati, putrim dadati. Okay. अस्तु एकम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः भाषाप्रवेश पुस्तकं दृश्यते वा
नै महोदय स्लैड्स् हि दृश्यते
आं वा एकनिमिषम् इदानीं also can see on slides
न महोदय
I have downloaded the book, so it's on my in my drive, the Bhasha Pravesha part 1, that is. So
okay no I have to share so इदानीं दृश्यते वा
yeah.
अस्तु अस्तु Can you see the screen now?
Yeah. We can.
अस्तु okay कस्य क्रमः सुचिता भगिनी भवती पठतु
प्रथमा विभक्ति युवकः युवकौ युवकाः महिला महिले महिलाः पुत्री पुत्रौ पुत्र्यौ पुत्र्यः मित्रं मित्रे मित्राणि चतुर्थी विभक्ति युवकाय युवकाभ्यां युवकेभ्यः महिलायै महिलाभ्यां महिलाभ्यः पुत्रै पुत्र्यै पुत्रीभ्यां पुत्रीभ्यः पुत्रीभ्यः मित्राय मित्राभ्यां मित्रेभ्यः
मित्रेभ्यः अभ्यासः उदाहरणनुगुणं वाक्यानि रचयन्तु सो उदाहरणं सो पितामहः नेक्स्ट वन इज जनकः सो पितामहः जनकाय प्रसादं ददाति अग्रिमवाक्यं करोतु सुचिता भगिनी
जनकः जनन्यै प्रसादं ददाति
ददाति सम्यक् सम्यक् सुप्रिया भगिनी अग्रिमवाक्यं करोतु
जननी अग्रजाय प्रसादं ददाति
अग्रजाय वा अग्रजा आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदं
स्त्रीलिङ्ग
अग्रजा अग्रजायै
अग्रजायै प्रसादं ददाति
सम्यक् प्रीति भगिनी
पितामह
अग्रजा अग्रजा अनुजः अग्रजा
we still on agraja she just said no agraja
next see now agraja is giving to anujah so you have to form the word next
so we have to start with agraja
so can you
like
see the
that,
arrow
agraja?
So this is
Yeah.
going around.
Pitamaha,
Pitamaha
Janaka,
Janakayai.
Janaka, Janani. Okay.
Now you have to say
Okay.
Agraja is giving to Anuja. Anujaha, brother, younger brother.
Okay. Agraja Anujaya Prasad Dadati. Prasadam Dadati.
Anujaya.
I can't see, so I think it's Prasadam.
Prasadam सम्यक् प्रसादं ददाति सम्यक् अनुजाय किमर्थम् अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गपदं
Yes.
अस्तु अपर्णा भगिनी
अनुजः पिता मह्यै प्रसादं
ददाति सम्यक् सम्यक् ध्रुवा भगिनी अन्तिमवाक्यं करोतु
पितामही
ध्रुवा भगिनी अस्ति वा
Dhruva Bhagini left Mahodaya. She messaged.
Oh, is
Yeah,
it? Okay, sorry, I didn't see. Okay.
पितामही
अपना वाली बात
पितामही पितामहाय
पितामहाय प्रसादं ददाति सम्यक् ओके नौ कोष्टके विद्यमानानां शब्दानां साहाय्येन वाक्यानि रचयन्तु so whatever given so we have to form a sentence so उदाहरणं स्वामी प्रथम वाक्यं स्वामी सेवकाः वेतनं so say now the one at the middle you have to convert that into चतुर्थी विभक्ति so सेवकाः बहुवचने अस्ति so स्वामी सेवकेभ्यः वेतनं ददाति अस्तु सुचिता भगिनी द्वितीयवाक्यं करोतु गृहिणी
गृहिणी भिक्षुकायै
भिक्षुकाः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग बहुवचनं भिक्षुकः भिक्षुकाः सो चतुर्थी विभक्ति अपि बहुवचने करणीयम्
so बहुवचनं will be
just see the before the previous one
that same thing okay sevakah okay so गृहिणी भिक्षुकेभ्यः अन्नं ददाति
गृहिणी भिक्षुकेभ्यः अन्नं ददाति सम्यक्
okay so that is simple yeah sorry I was trying to figure out in my head instead of looking
अस्तु अस्तु सुप्रिया भगिनी
अधिकारी सैनिकेभ्यः पुरस्कारं सैनिकेभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति
बहु उत्तमं सो वेतनम् अन्नं नपुंसकलिङ्गं सो प्रथमा विभक्ति तृतीया विभक्त्या मध्ये भेदः नास्ति सो पुरस्कारः प्रथमा विभक्त्यां भवति सो यू हैव टू चेंज टू द्वितीया विभक्ति पुरस्कारं बहु उत्तमं प्रीति भगिनी प्रधानाचार्यः प्रधान सम्यक् क्षम्यतां प्रधानाचार्यः प्रिन्सिपल् प्रधानाचार्यः प्रीति भगिनी अस्ति वा शी आल्सो लेफ्ट
हाँ महोदय
अस्तु अस्तु
प्रधानाचार्यः छात्रेभ्यः प्रमाणपत्रं ददाति
सम्यक् अग्रिमवाक्यमपि करोतु
आपणिकः ग्राहकेभ्यः वस्तूनि ददाति
सम्यक् अस्तु भवती करोतु कोष्टकस्य साहाय्येन राष्ट्रपतिः केभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति इति लिखन्तु so the people are given in this box so Rashtrapati is giving awards to someone केभ्यः to whom you have to find so Rashtrapatiः वैज्ञानिकाय पुरस्कारं ददाति so Rashtrapatiः वैज्ञानिकेभ्यः पुरस्कारं so वैज्ञानिकः वैज्ञानिकाः so now you have to choose the second the next one पंडितः पंडिताः बालिका बालिकाः
so Rashtrapati is common for all only in
Rashtrapati पुरस्कार not common
महोदय
Common. Those are all common. Only you have to change this word in the
Instead of
box.
Vaidikaha, Panditaha, we have to change.
Yes.
राष्ट्रपतिः पंडिताय पुरस्कारं ददाति. राष्ट्रपतिः पंडितेभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति.
सम्यक्. बालिका अपि करोतु.
राष्ट्रपतिः बालिकाय पुरस्कारं ददाति.
बालिकाय एकनिमिषं. बालिकाय वा आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदम्.
बालिकैः.
न. रामायै.
बालिकायै.
अनुज अग्रजायै. बालिकायै पुरस्कारं ददाति.
राष्ट्रपतिः बालिकायै पुरस्कारं ददाति. राष्ट्रपतिः बालिकाभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति.
सम्यक्. सुचिता भगिनी, गायिका नर्तकी वाक्यद्वयं करोतु.
राष्ट्रपतिः गायिकै पुरस्कारं ददाति.
गायिका आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदम्.
गायिका will turn to
गायिकायै
पुरस्कारं ददाति.
पुरस्कारं
ददाति. राष्ट्रपतिः गायिकेभ्यः
That is for the kebhyah will come for pullinga padam or napusakalinga padam. See,
Okay.
this is Vaijnanikebhyah, because Vaijnanikah, scientist, Vaijnanikah is pullinga padam. So Vaijnanikebhyah bahuvachane. So for Srilinga padam, Gayikayai, Gayikabhyah.
गायिकाभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति. राष्ट्रपतिः नर्तक्यै, right?
नर्तक्यै,
yes, जनन्यै. Okay, नर्तक्यै पुरस्कारं ददाति. राष्ट्रपतिः नर्तक्येभ्यः
नर्तकी एकनिमिषं. नर्तकी अस्ति. नर्तकी
नर्तकी
so नर्तकीभ्यः
ओके. नर्तकीभ्यः ओके पुरस्कारं ददाति. I think necessary to study this later again.
Okay. भवती so नर्तकी शब्दस्य विभक्ति रूपाणि वदतु. From prathama vibhakti to chaturthi vibhakti. Nartaki.
Okay.
Try.
I cannot even try. Okay.
Nartaki. Nartakyau.
Nartakyah.
Nartakim.
Okay. Nartakim. See, I did up to the Akaranta Srilinga, but Ikaranta I have not done. Okay. Nartaki. No, you will only have Nartakim.
Okay, you repeat. No, I'll just repeat. Okay.
Okay.
So,
all right.
Nartaki,
Thank you.
Nartakyau, Nartakyah.
Nartaki, Nartakyau, Nartakyah.
Nartakim, Nartakyau, Nartakihi.
Nartakim, Nartakyau, Nartakihi.
Nartakya, Nartakibhyam, Nartakibihi.
Nartakyam, Nartakya.
Nartakya, not Nartakya.
Okay. Nartakya, Nartakyabhyam.
Nartakibhyam, Nartakibhyam.
Nartakibhyam.
Nartakibihi.
Nartakibhi.
Nartakibihi Tritiya. Bahuvachanam. So Nartakyai, Nartakibhyam, Nartakibhyah.
Nartaki.
Nartakyai,
Nartakyai,
Lakshmyai, Lakshminyai,
yes, yeah,
Saraswatyai,
that I remember. Yes, Nartakyai, Nartakya,
Kibhyam. No,
Nartakibhyam.
Nartaki. So first, the root word is Nartaki. It will not
So
completely
that was
change. So
correct.
Nartakibhyah, so Nartakyai, Nartakibhyam, Nartakibhyah.
Nartakye, Nartakibhyam,
Nartakyai.
Nartakyai, Nartakibhyam, Nartakebhyah.
Nartakibhyam, Nartakibhyah.
Nartakibhyam, Nartakebhyah.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Simple. Nadi. You just practice Nadi. Nadi, Nadyo,
Yes.
Nadyaha, Nadi, Nadi, Nadihi. So Nadyo, Nadi. So each,
Okay.
just you have to change the word. Okay. Astu.
Okay.
Aparna
Thank you.
Bhayani. Agrima sabda vakyadam karotu. Kavayitri. Aparna Bhayani, mute madhye asti.
राष्ट्रपतिः कवित्राय
No,
कवि
Kavai,
कवयि
Kavai,
कवि
Kavayitri.
कवित्राय
So Nartaki, Nartakyai, Kavayitri, Kavayitryai.
कवयित्र्यै पुरस्कारं ददाति राष्ट्रपतिः कवयित्रीभ्यः कवयित्रीभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति
मित्राणि
राष्ट्रपतिः मित्राय पुरस्कारं ददाति राष्ट्रपतिः मित्रेभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति
मित्रेभ्यः पुरस्कारं ददाति सम्यक् अस्तु एतानि वाक्यानि उच्चैः पठन्तु अपर्णा भगिनी पठतु
नेता प्रतिनिधये उपायनं ददाति गुरुः पटवे आशीषं ददाति आपणिकः उपभोक्त्रे वस्तु ददाति
तत्र एकनिमिषं तत्र स्थगयतु सो वटवे एकवचनं वा बहुवचनं वा एकवचनं सम्यक् एकवचनं बहुवचनं वा
एकवचनं
प्रथमविभक्तिः का वटुः वटवः वटून् वटुना वटुभ्यां वटुभिः वटवे गुरवे so gurave so when you say way like that watave way immediately you should remember that okay gurave so then it's ukaranta pullinga vatu vatuhu vatu okay so upabhoktre
उपभोक्त्री
अन्तः कः पदस्य अन्तः कः न okay so for ramaya so what is this rama shabdah akarantah rama akarantah so like that upabhoktre what is antah
bhokta upabhokta
no antah vatu antah so like we say आकारान्तः नास्ति
उपभोक्तृ
अन्य कोऽपि वदतु ट्रै इट्स् नाट् उपभोक्ता
उपभोक्तः
न
उपभोक्ता
पितृशब्दः ऋकारान्तः पिता पितरौ पितरः पितरं पितरौ ऋकारान्तः ऋकारान्तः सो पित्रे सेम् वे उपभोक्त्रे सो उपभोक्ता पिता पितरौ उपभोक्त्रौ उपभोक्तरः सो उपभोक्त्रे उपभोक्तृभ्याम् उपभोक्तृभिः Upabhoktrubhyah. So this upabhoktre is Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So Rikarantah Upabhoktru Shabdah.
Krishakah.
So yeah, so the mool shabda was upabhoktaha.
Bhoktru.
Upabhoktru Shabdah. Pitru, like Pitru.
Upabhoktru. Okay. Upabhoktru.
Pratama Vibhakti Upabhokta, Pita, Upabhokta. Pita, Pitarau, Pitarah. Upabhokta, Upabhoktarau, Upabhoktarah. So Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrune. So Upabhoktram, Upabhoktrau, Pita, Pitarau, Upabhoktarau, Upabhoktrune. Okay. So Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi. Upabhoktra, Upabhoktrubhyam, Upabhoktrubhihi. So Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyah. So Upabhoktre.
Thank you. Yeah.
Krishakah Denave Sasyam Dadati.
Dhenave.
Dhenave. Dhenave.
Ukarantak Mahodaya. Dhenu.
Dhenu.
Ukaranta.
Dhenu.
Lingam.
Strilingam.
Dhenuhu. Dhenu.
Strilingam.
Dhenave. Dhenavaha. Dhenave. Astu.
Swasru Vadvai
Kankanani.
Kankanani Dadati.
Vadvai is Vadu. Ukaranta Shabda. This is Vadu. Vadvai. Balaha.
Balaha Matre Phalam Dadati. Bhaktaha Murtaye Pushpam Arpayati.
So Murtaye Shabda Vivaranam Dadatu. What is the word? Mula Pratipadikam or whatever.
Murtihi.
Murtihi. Haraye. Harihi. Haraye. Murtihi. Murtaye. Astu. Tatra Sagamaha. Samaya Hatitaha. We'll stop there. Astu. Kopi Mangalashlokam Vadatu. Kavalti. Supriya Bani Vadatu. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve
Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I think he got muted, I think.